New guidance tonight from the Centers for Disease Control, a roadmap for getting students in kindergarten all the way through high school back to in-person classes.
It's based on community risk levels. Western Mass News reporter Leon Purvis joins us live from our downtown studios with more. Leon?
Jordan, Chris, the way the CDC breaks down their risk levels is in 4 different colors, very similar to what Massachusetts already does. Now, here is the chart on your screen right there. In the blue and yellow, which is low to moderate transmission, the CDC says students K through 12 can be in school learning in person with face coverings and staying 6 feet apart. And sports can move forward in these 2 categories as well. Now, when it gets to the orange level, representing substantial transmission risk, the CDC says all grade levels should go to a hybrid learning model, and sports can only be held outside. Now, when it gets to the high risk level of red, the recommendation is virtual classes for middle and high schools, and that goes for sports too. Western Mass News reached out to the mayor of Easthampton for her reaction to these new guidelines, as her students in her community will begin returning to in-person classes on February 22nd.
Younger students, when properly using mitigation strategies, masking and distance, don't transmit as much an infection of COVID-19. And with this affirmation from the CDC, I think it also goes to another very important element of all this, which is public confidence.
Now, another thing to note, schools are not required to reopen under this guidance. Also, the CDC does not suggest that teachers and staff have to get the COVID-19 vaccine before returning to in-person classes. Now, also, masks, social distancing, and hand washing are still in play to ensure a safe learning environment. Live in Springfield, Leon Purvis, Western Mass News.